Building a brand image is crucial for success in the fast-paced world of technology. Today, we'll delve into the art of crafting a compelling narrative that captivates your audience and establishes a strong brand identity. Welcome to Harnessing the Power of Narrative: How to Build a Memorable Tech Brand. Crafting a grand narrative will lay down the foundation for a powerful brand image. It's about more than the products or services you offer. It's about narrating a story that resonates with your target audience. But how can you craft a narrative that sets you apart in the tech industry? Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand your audience. Delve deep into research to analyze their needs, desires, and pain points. By empathizing with your audience, you can shape your narrative to address their specific challenges and aspirations. Step 2. Define your brand's unique value proposition. What makes you distinctive from the competition? Is it your advanced technology, unparalleled customer service, or visionary leadership? Discover your strengths and weave them into your narrative. Step 3. Craft a compelling storyline. Begin by identifying the protagonist, the hero of your narrative. Is it your innovative product or the transformative solution you offer? Illustrate how your brand can guide your audience on their journey toward success. Step 4. Foster an emotional connection. Stories that stir emotions are more memorable. Highlight the positive change your technology can bring to people's lives. Whether it's enhancing efficiency, revolutionizing healthcare, or improving communication, let your audience imagine a brighter future with your brand. Step 5. Uphold consistency. It's crucial that your narrative aligns with your brand's core values and messaging. Utilize consistent visuals, tone, and language across all communication channels to reinforce your brand image and establish a trustworthy relationship with your audience. Step 6. Engage and involve your audience. Encourage them to be part of your narrative by sharing their success stories or using user-generated content. This not only builds a sense of community, but also strengthens your brand's authenticity and credibility. Step 7. Adapt and evolve. Technology is constantly changing, and so should your narrative. Stay updated with industry trends and innovations, and adjust your story accordingly. Embrace the evolving needs of your audience to remain relevant and maintain a strong brand presence. Remember, building a good narrative in tech is not just about selling products. It's about creating a lasting brand image that resonates with your audience. By understanding their needs, crafting a compelling story, and nurturing an emotional connection, you can establish a brand that stands out in the ever-evolving tech industry. This concludes our journey on building a good narrative in tech. Harness the power of storytelling and watch your brand image soar to new heights. For more information, visit FindLight.net and enroll in our Sales Academy to gain valuable insights that can help expand your business. Don't forget to connect with us on social media for even richer experience.